Hello. Welcome back to the quick Nifty 50 update. Right now, I have this daily overall price action of how it has developed, how this gap was never filled in the first place, and how there was follow up action, follow up buying at each and every levels. So, have we done the breakout? Yes or no? So I think it's a yes. It's a 90-10 situation right now wherein there is a 90% probability that you are going to get a rally that is as equal to this rally. So everybody knows my accounts, and I've shared it numerous number of times. So this as my target, so I get a target which is somewhere around 24,900, and it looks as if we have broken out, and it might not be very clear on this bar chart, but if I switch to a line chart, then most probably yes, we have broken out. So the daily closing is somewhere around 24,175, and the previous high closing was 24 168, so 68 69, yeah, maybe 7 8 points higher, but that is a technical breakout that we are looking at. So we have broken out, and now the next level which I'm really looking at is going to be this high. So most probably we might clear this high as well. So this was an intraday swing high of roughly 24,261. We cross above that, then there's a fair chance that we might go towards 24,400 or 24,482 500 levels on an intraday basis on Friday itself. Does that mean that the breakout has failed if we just rise by 150 to 200 points? Absolutely not. What I need is a weekly closing above 24,261. So there's a 99% clarity that the breakout has really occurred. And if I look at the weekly charts, it's Thursday, so okay. The weekly charts, it's not updated on investing.com, but there's a green candle that is forming over here. And yeah, so weekly closing, we most probably we might get a weekly closing above 261. But what I'm going to be looking at is what happens after we go above 24,500, or after we cross above 24,600. Then there's going to be no alternations left, right? So you could still have some of the alternations in Elliott wave theory that might suggest that once you go above 24,600, there's a fair possibility of coming down, but I do not agree to that kind of view. I just believe that crossing above 24,600 gives you another chance to buy. I mean, if you did not buy over here along with me at 23,000, you must have bought it over here, because I made a video on this closing 23,600, wherein I told about some of the trend line breakouts that were happening, and I told you to just go ahead and be long in this market right now. So you didn't buy, you might have missed out this rally, but now you have a chance. You are again getting a second chance to hop onto this rally for another 1,800, 900, 1,200 points, and in my opinion you would not want to miss out on this, right? So 25,000 is the minimum target in a couple of weeks that I'm looking at, and my positions, I have 24,000 calls July expiry and 24,200 calls. So I'm holding these two strike prices of calls. Both are of monthly expiry, and I'll continue to hold them. Details of all the trades I have shared on my Twitter, where I have shared my screenshots as well. Secondly, I'd like to go ahead with Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty is the real culprit of Nifty not going above 24,200, because the rally that we saw today was primarily fueled by IT stocks and not by financial. But I feel that sooner or later financials are going to join in, since these are the leading. This is the leading in the leading sector, and it is poised for outperformance from here on as well. So let's say even if even if we don't gap up tomorrow, or even if we just open sideways in bank nifty, so the support level comes around the previous breakout zone of 57,456. That hello, yeah, so that is roughly 400 500 points lower from here. Does it have to go there? No. If it goes there, then that's a very good opportunity to add on to your long trades, because it is not going to happen that Nifty is going to go towards 25,000 and Bank Nifty is going to just be in the range of 57,000 to 58,000. Sooner or later, you're going to break above for 58, 59,000. And when you do that, you're going towards 62,000 or 61,600, the previous all time high. Yeah, whatever that level is. So that is the case, but what if we open gap up? So in case we open above 58,392, that would be a clear cut sign that we have made a structural swing low, and this bottom is in place, and we could continue to ride all of our long positions from here as well. But my main position is in Nifty, and I do not have any positions in Bank Nifty. Okay, so I think that was it for the video. Thank you.